Welcome to the unboxing of AFE-R360 development kit. I am Umar Ahmed, AI and Robotics Tech Specialist at Advantech. Let's dive into what makes this kit a powerful tool for your robotics and AI projects. The R360 is a production-ready development kit designed with customer needs in mind. Advantech's mission in autonomous systems is to provide integrated computing, sensing, and roast-to packages for a wide range of use cases for our customers. This involves from basic navigation to fleet collaboration and dynamic path planning. Our AFE and ASR series offers scalable hardware and flexible sensor modules, making it very easy to build and expand your autonomous systems. Now let's have a look at what is included in the AFE-R360 development kit. Inside the box, you will find one AFE-R360 single-board computer, a camera I/O card. This can be either MIOE MIPI RPA1 or MIOE GMSL 4PA1, depending upon which camera interface you want to use. 16GB DDR5 memory module, a 128GB NVMe SSD which comes in M.2 format. 4 MIPI or GMSL cameras as per your order, a screw kit, and all necessary cables. This also includes a startup manual to help you get work very quickly. This is the image which shows the content of AFE-R360 development kit, first version. Everything is pre-configured to help you start developing right out of the box. When you will receive your AFE-R360 development kit, you only need to connect the cameras and turn it on to start up. This system supports two main types of cameras for autonomous mobile robots. First, 3D depth cameras, which can be connected via USB or Ethernet. They are used for measuring distances, detecting obstacles, and are highly compatible with various platforms. Second, 2D RGB cameras, which use high-speed interfaces like MIPI CSI, GMSL, and FPGA. These provide faster data transfer, lower latency, and offer processing from the CPU using external image signal processors. The board includes multiple ports, 3 LAN and USB-C for depth cameras, and 4 MIPI CSI and GMSL ports for RGB cameras. This gives you a high level of flexibility to build advanced vision systems for your robots. Now let's compare the different camera interfaces. We have 4 camera interfaces available on this kit: GBE, USB 3, MIPI CSI, and GMSL. All of them have their strengths and weaknesses. GBE supports the longest cable, up to 100 meters, but has lower bandwidth and higher latency. On the other hand, USB 3 offers better speed, but only works with short cables up to 3 meters. The MIPI CSI and GMSL provide the best performance. There is high bandwidth, low latency, and are ideal for real-time vision tasks. Both MIPI and GMSL come with ready-to-use drivers in the development kit, thus making it very easy to set up. In terms of use cases, GBE is good for automation, USB 3 fits consumer devices, MIPI CSI works well for delivery robots, and GMSL interface is great for patrol robots and forklifts. The AFE-R360 AFE-R360 dev kit comes with two camera options. The first camera called EV2M00M1 is made by Innovis. It captures clear images at 2 megapixels and is great for indoor use like scanning barcodes in warehouses. It uses a technology called global shutter to avoid motion blur. The second camera option is the AutoCam 222 C120M. It is from AutoBright. It offers slightly higher image quality and a wider viewing angle, making it ideal for outdoor robots and slow-moving vehicles. It also handles bright lights better and reduces flickering from the LED lights. Both cameras are designed to work smoothly and seamlessly with the AFE-R360 system. Once the robotic suite is installed, you will find an Advantech folder in the system where all the resources are well organized.